Hi, welcome back. We're on lesson 4 of N8.2 and we're talking about sales tax and discount today. So just a quick definition here. What is tax? It's money paid on purchases and it's calculated based on a percent of the total price. So tax where we live is 11%. Merchants add tax to the price of the items you purchase. And just take note, each province has their own tax. So we're going to do some questions here. Alright, Ashley bought 2 pairs of jeans for $19.99 and 3 shirts for $12.99. And if she paid 7.5% tax on her purchase, how much did she pay in all? So first thing we got to do here is get 2 times $19.99 and 3 times $12.99 to get a total of what everything cost. Okay, so we got 38.98 plus... I was thinking I had the wrong numbers here. I had to check. Okay, those added together are $78.95. Alright. So we've got our total. So we're going to take 78.95 and we're going to take 7.5% tax because that's what was in the question. Now this is a percent, so going back to previous lessons, we need to change that into a decimal. So 78.95, and to do that we divide by 100, will get us 0.075. Punch that in on your calculator and you'll get 5.92. I'm going to put all the numbers that showed up just because I need to remind you of something. Okay, this is money, so we need to round. This is an important place value because it determines the cents. Okay, it's a 1, so it stays at 92 cents. So 5.92 is the tax she's going to pay on this, and then we have to go back to the original amount, which was 78.95, and we add the tax at $5.92. We get a total of $84.87. Alright, so Ashley's going to pay $84.87 for all of these items plus the 7.5% tax. Next question. I'm going to talk about discount. So it's a percentage of the total price that's subtracted from the total price. Okay, so we subtract this instead of add, but don't forget there's going to be tax as well, so that has to go back on. Okay, so let's talk discount here. Here we have a video game in Vancouver discounted by 30% with a regular price of $27.99. Taxes there are 6 and 7%. So we're going to calculate the sales price of the video game before taxes. Alright, so let's do that. So we're going to take 27.99 times 30% because that's the discount. Change that to a decimal like we have been doing the whole way through this unit. Divide by 100. And your answer will be about $8.40. So that's the discount. That's the amount of money that comes off the original price. So let's go back to the original, subtract that $8.40, and we're going to get $19.59. So that's how much the game cost before tax with that 30% discount. Alright, now it says to calculate the price of the video game after taxes. So we're going to take that $19.59 and we're going to times it by 13% because we're adding both taxes here. Same stuff here to the decimal. And we're going to get about, okay, I'm actually going to write what's on the calculator because this is what you'll be seeing. 25467. Okay, important. This number here, place value, that's the cents. It's a 6, so we round up. So it's approximately $2.55 for taxes. Okay, taxes we add on. So $19.59 plus $2.55, $22.14. So that's going to be the price after taxes. Oh, I just want to show you something from that last question. Okay, there's another way to do it. This 30%, we're going to take it off right away. So if that's a discount, okay, we're going to go 100% minus 30% equals 70%. Okay, and keep in mind the amount was $27.99. So now we're going to take $27.99 and multiply it by 70%, because really that's the amount now. So let's do that. And that will give us an amount of $19.59. So that was less steps than what we did on the previous page here. Okay, we found the discount and then we subtracted. So this is just another way of doing it if you prefer this way. All right, here we took the 20%, found the discount, subtracted. Here we just took the discount right off the 100% price, and we found 70% of that price, and it yielded us the same answer. I just wanted to point that out, and then the taxes would be the same way to add on. All right, let's go to the next one. A cost of a backpack is $10.50. This is 30% of the selling price. So this goes back to our last lesson too. What's the selling price of the backpack, and what does the customer pay for the backpack in Yorkton, Saskatchewan? So if you remember, we're going with the original amount. We're going to divide by 30 and times by 100. Okay, the original amount was $10.50, divide by 30%, which we just put the 30 under there because we're multiplying by 100, and that will get us 35. Actually, I want, yeah. Okay, so $35. So that tells us the selling price of the backpack, and then we have to add GST and PST. And in Saskatchewan they want it, which is 6% GST, 5% provincial sales tax, PST, so that's 11 total. So we'll take $35 times 11%. And that will give us a number of $385. Right, so we're going to add that $35 onto there, original amount plus tax, and we'll get a total of $38.85. That is the answer to what the customer pays for the backpack in Yorkton. All right, this is a pretty quick lesson with just questions that you're going to see in your assignment. A couple of these also came from the visual notes like last time if you want to have a look. And as always, peruse the video again if you're struggling. Okay, see you in the next lesson.